Welcome to World History class. I'm excited to be working with you this school year. I am Miss Barney, your World History teacher. As you are getting ready to begin, feel free to check out our weekly announcement to see what we will be doing during our first week of class. You can also check the class plan each day throughout the year to find new assignments. You will notice on the weekly announcement that you'll have 2 assignments on our first day. There will be an About Me survey where you will share some information to help me get to know you. You will also review, sign, and submit the syllabus along with your learning coach. We will also discuss these during the first World History class. Be sure to attend World History class through Class Connect starting September 9th. You may also find my contact information on the World History page through content and within the course materials. Please contact me with any questions during this school year. I'm here to support your efforts and assist you in your learning. I look forward to an awesome school year.